Being born cold is something deep in your DNA. Having winter in you isn't just feeling the call of the mountains. It's feeling the call of the lifestyle and everything that comes with it. As much as you live for days like this, there is no this without this. And there is no this without this. Snow, ice, and wind frozen into our DNA. Because we live the life you do and ride the mountains you do. We design and craft the most protective apparel out there. Because we were born cold, we all need an extra skin. Orage, born cold.